want to go do a little hike? It's not raining yet. So I just pulled at this parking lot to say Lady Fall trail. I have no idea how long it is, so I'm just gonna pack a couple of little things and gonna go for a walk with this little girl. It's been raining a lot in the past couple of days, and yesterday she was like full on energy, so I just want to burn even more energy to her because it's supposed to rain again. So, and I needed to a bunch of little walk would be great. So this is what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna go pack a couple little thing in back here. So I guess one thing I'm gonna need for the hike, some banana bread. If you didn't saw my previous video yesterday, I made banana bread on a Dutch oven. So good. I've been eating a lot like that. I ate that this morning. Not the best breakfast, but was so good. So I'm gonna pack this up. Some water probably, and breath spray, and yeah, we should be ready to go after that. Alright, distance 900 meter one way, hike time 20 minutes one way, easy. We should be good. Alright, let's go see the falls. The Ladies Falls. That's far. That's kidding. I love when we have those type of trail just for ourselves. Easy trail. I'm gonna go see a nice little waterfall, hopefully. I've never been here. And yeah, it's just nice to have the trail all by yourself. Kitty, every time we cross some people on the trail, she always a little bit like, obviously like she's been in the wild, you know, like she think that's gonna be a bear or any type of like threat and prey for her. So she's always like cautions when she hears someone, and like, it's just people, Kitty, it's just people. But yeah, obviously she's not used to all this. But when we have the trail for ourselves, I know that we're not gonna have any dog too on the trail, which is great. She loved it. She's in front and she's like, come on, let's go. It's beautiful. Sound of the waterfall. They look pretty big. I don't know if Kitty's gonna go close from them. We'll see. So proud of you. Oh my god, guys, they are huge. You coming, Kitty? Yes. Good job. Oh yeah, you got it. Yeah, it's huge, yeah. Look at that, guys. Wow. Ready to go? You're so brave, Kitty. Yes. Yes, you're brave, yeah. Alright, let's go back. So big that we could get the water from them. It's been raining so much that it's one thing you can expect at this time of year. Nice little beautiful, I don't think that took us 20 minutes, I think it took us 15 minutes. So we're gonna walk a little bit down, sit on one of the little bench that I saw, and have a cup of tea and some banana bread. This is our type of walk so much right now. Cats are not someone who just like walk for hours. So right now she find a little hole to look at. Yeah, they like to just walk for a couple of minutes, and after that they just slow explore, and you know what I mean. The longest I think we did, me and Kitty, it's 1 hour to go to the lake, and on the way back the other hour she was like super slow and I had to take her in my arm, which is alright, I don't mind, like she's not that heavy, but yeah, 1 hour it's pretty much, it's a good walk. Find anything, Kitty? Are you going back? Alright, let's go. That's just a tea, baby. It's for me. I don't think that calorie in and calorie out are very proportional right now. I'm having a huge piece of banana bread and we walk for 20 minutes. Alright, it's all good. Feels good to have a walk. Trust me, after usually that doesn't bothering me that much rain, but the past couple of days it's been like I was tired, and I think Kelly was tired too. It was just non-stop, and every day that it was sunny we had other things at the garage or whatever, like other thing happened that we didn't really enjoy the couple of the days of sun. And although it's not sunny today, it's just so nice to be outside and have fresh air and get out and exercise a little bit. So it was great. We're gonna slowly make our way back to the main town, get some cell service. I don't have any here, and for the past I think more than 24 hours here now. So slowly back down. And yeah, we'll see what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. If it doesn't rain, maybe we're gonna go have another walk. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see. We came back on the walk just in time before the rain started again. Alright, so I think we're gonna do a little lunch dinner. I think it's almost 2 o'clock, something around this. And if you hear some noise when I walk, I purchased some a little, I don't know, little thing to wear inside the van so it feels better. So I think I'm gonna have quinoa. It's been a while since quinoa. I always say it on price right. It's been a while. I kind of forgot I need to clean my storage of food because I have all of this space of my old countertop underneath here. And it's all packed up, and like I was just like putting things away, and I was like, oh, I have some quinoa. That's been a while. It's been a couple of weeks. I should get some. So yeah, I should clean out it here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have that with onion, mushroom, and bok choy. That's the only vegetable I have inside the van, so that's what's gonna be. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the onion, garlic, mushroom on the side. I don't know, I just feel doing this way for some reason. And I'm gonna cook the quinoa, sorry. I don't cook quinoa that often, and I should. Every time I'm like, oh, I should do that more often. It's really good for you, quinoa, and quite easy. Sorry. Hope everyone is okay. It's in evidence. So I'm gonna put some vegetable stock, cover this, and let that cook. I think it's 10-15 minutes, 12-14 minutes. So super fast inside your van. And I'm gonna put the vegetable and the bok choy at the end. So there you go, quinoa for lunch, dinner today. As much as I was happy with my banana bread, I'm kind of happy to not eat banana bread right now. I think I abuse a little bit more of the banana bread than I should. This is the thing, like every time that when I had a house and I was making any kind of dessert, I was eating a portion, and my boyfriend at the time was coming and was like, oh, you made this, and he was getting a portion. And I was going back and I was like, oh, I'm ready to eat another portion before he just grab it all. So I ate another portion, and he was doing the same thing, come back, and, oh, I'm better to do it. And like until we had like just a small little square left, that we both look at it, like walk one by one and kind of look at it. And at one point I was like, but you should finish the little square left. I was like, no, I'll leave that one for you, I ate a lot. And I'm like, I ate a lot too. Yeah. So after 2 days we didn't have any dessert anymore, so I've kind of like slowed down on my dessert, and now I'm like, yeah, maybe I should do the same thing too. Not cooking too much dessert on the Dutch oven. I just love it though. But yeah, that's gonna be a nice little change with a bunch of vegetable. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna let you with this. I'm gonna do a little bit more driving again, and a couple of things to do in town later on, probably tomorrow, or change, all that stuff. I'm just in the van repair and like repair and stuff lately. It's one of those things. So yeah, oil change tomorrow, probably things like this. So I hope you enjoy. It was a simple little day in my life, walking Kelly and driving around here. It's gorgeous. Another place that I will definitely come back. I was close to Gold River, small little town on Vancouver Island. And yeah, right now I'm going back to Campbell River, which is a bigger town. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. I have no idea what we're gonna do. My life. I never know what I'm gonna do, guys. I will see you next one. Bye.